Hi everyone, this is Tarunika and I am teaching Engineering Mathematics Unit 1 Matrices. So what is a matrix? It is basically a system of elements or numbers that are arranged in a rectangular arrangement, or it may be square too, bounded by brackets. So that bounded by brackets is called a matrix. So this will be in format of A into Ij. So order of a matrix is determined by m into n, which is rows into column. Rows are normally the horizontal ones, columns are the vertical ones. So we have many types of matrix. So first let's see square matrix. Square matrix is basically the equal, m equals to n. So it can be 4 cross 4 also, but in this unit we'll be mostly seeing 3 cross 3 and 2 cross 2. So for A 2 cross 2 matrix, A11, A12, A21, A22. For A 3 cross 3 matrix, we have A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. 3 cross 3 matrix. So second matrix we'll be seeing is zero matrix. Basically the elements A11, A12 all is 0. So in diagonal matrix, we have all the diagonal values as elements like numerical values like 1, 2, 3 except 0. And in scalar matrix, we have scalar value. Basically, it can be 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2. The scalar value will be equal and that will be present in diagonal. What is a unit matrix? Unit matrix is basically when all the diagonal elements are only 1. It is called a unit matrix. So upper triangular matrix, in a simple way to remember, we can remember like the lower triangle values, like it forms a triangle. See here, it forms a triangle. So these values are always 0. In lower triangle matrix, the upper triangular part is 0. So let's see topic 1, which is transpose. It is one of the most important topics also. Transpose means if a given matrix is given as 2 cross 3, then you have to convert that into 3 cross 2. How will you do that? If we are given 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7, then we have to take the horizontal elements as vertical and these second row horizontal elements as second vertical row. What is a symmetric matrix? Symmetry, basically equal. So A is equal to A transpose of the same matrix. If we are representing A matrix as a particular element, we write A into Ij. Then Aij will be equal to Aji element. So what is skew symmetry? Skew symmetry is basically A matrix is equal to minus of the transpose of the A matrix. So basically Aij equals to minus of Aji. Don't get confused, we'll be doing problems related to this, so that will clarify all your doubts. Matrix then again can be divided into singular and non-singular. Singular is basically the determinant of A is equal to 0 and non-singular is determinant of A is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then we can find out the A inverse of the matrix. A inverse of the matrix is 1 by A determinant into adjacent of A. So we are writing a small note here. A into A inverse equals to I. So when do we call two matrices are equal? If they are having the same order and each element of one matrix should correspond to the element of second matrix. If A1 and C1 are equal, B1 and D1 are equal, A2 C2 equal, B2 D2 equal, we can call these two matrices as equal. They should be in the same order and the element of the first one should be corresponding to the second one. Okay, so now let's see subtraction, addition. So in addition, if we add two matrices, different matrices, it will be A1 plus C1. First element added to the first element of the second matrix. Second element added to the second element of the second matrix. So the addition will take place like this. Similarly, in subtraction, what we'll have is A minus B. A1, B1, A2, B2. Let's consider this as one matrix, this as another matrix. first element of the first matrix minus first element of the second matrix. Similar way, what is the conjugate? See, if we are taking a conjugate of some element, okay, if we are taking numbers, the conjugate of the numbers will be the same. But if we are taking conjugate for 2 plus I and I alone, then what will happen? If we are taking 2 plus I, it will become 2 minus I. If we are taking minus I, it will become plus I minus I.